Hello and welcome back to my channel of Rated Analysis. If you guys are new, then just hit that subscribe button. And if you guys have not yet shared this channel, then please share it with the community so more people can benefit from the profits that we are making on a regular basis. Okay, so now let us discuss the gold analysis from where we left off yesterday. You guys can clearly see when we were discussing, the market was trending over here, and we marked this area as an area of short-term support, and this area as an area of short-term resistance. And you guys can clearly see that initially market tested our area of support, closed above this area. We would have taken a long trade, and market would have tested this resistance area, then market gave us a good selling opportunity and we would have sold from here and made a good profit. Okay, so quite simply, if I take this long trade from here, my take profit will be over here and my stop loss will be approximately here. Okay, so yes, so the take profit will not be much, only 0.4%. So this trade would have more or less given us break even. But the next trade of this selling would have given us a good profit. For example, this would be our stop loss and our take profit will be approximately 8.1%, which is amazing profit. You guys can see that for yourself. That simply if you would have taken this trade, you guys would have made an amazing profit. And even if you guys would have not entered over here, you guys could simply take an entry over here from this area. This was a brilliant area to take a short position. So for example, if you enter over here and your stop loss will be over here, then your take profit will be approximately 3.0%, which is amazing. Okay, amazing profits even in the safety selling setup. Okay, and then once again market retested this area and then market closed below. So you guys could take a selling entry over here. Your stop loss will be over here and your take profit will be running approximately 0.79%. And if you guys were safety sellers, then you guys could have sold from here. Your stop loss will be approximately this, and your take profit will be approximately this. So this trade would have given you guys a 2.3% profit, and it would still be running in profit. Okay, so overall, very good profits in this gold setups that we gave yesterday. Okay, so now let us discuss the fresh scenarios of buying and selling. Okay, so first of all, let me stretch this area a little bit, as now this area will now get converted to become area of resistance, and this area, they both are gonna become resistance areas, and even this area will become. Okay, so first of all, let me mark my new support zone, which will be this, and I will move from here to here approximately over here. Okay, so this will be my new support zone. Okay, the key is gonna remain same. So, okay, so now let me just move these. Okay, so now this area is also gonna get converted and become an area of resistance. Okay, so I think I will move this over here, and this will be a short term area of resistance. Okay, so I hope that we do not miss on any of the profit that gold has to offer us. Okay, so first of all, let me move the buying scenarios. Okay, so in the event of buying, we would wait for market to test this support or breaks straight away above this area of resistance. or market to retest this area of resistance and then close above this area, then we will buy this pair for selling. Okay, so for the purpose of selling, yes, something like this. So if market simply tests this area of resistance, then we will sell this pair. And or if market tests the support area once again, then we will sell this pair. Or if we are a risky seller, we will sell straight away if market closes below this area of support. Let us also have a look at the 4-hour chart so we can identify if we have anything recent. Okay, not really. So let me mark a new area of support after this area. So in the 4-hour, we have the next area of support over here, and after this area, the next support area will be either this area. Okay, so the next area will be, I think, the will be this area, and the last area of support will be this. Okay, so I hope that we can stick to these areas. Okay, so now let me go back to the 1-hour chart. And now we can have a better idea since the bonus areas have also been marked. So now you guys can easily take the trade. Okay, so just be careful and be vigilant of the buying zones, and rest of the areas have been marked for you guys. Thank you. That's all for the gold analysis for today. So if you guys have not yet subscribed to the channel, then please hit that subscribe button and also click the like button. Thank you.